Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start as the form owner or instructor, open the form and go straight to responses. Once done, switch to quiz settings if you haven't already so correct answers and point values are visible. Make sure to use the Summary and Individual tabs. Summary gives aggregate choice distributions, while Individual shows each respondent's selected choices. If you need a spreadsheet, click the green Sheets icon to export responses and see selections in rows for deeper filtering and sorting. You now confirm which options are marked correct. In quiz mode, the answer key marks the right choice, S, with a green indicator. Once identified, you can edit the answer key to change correct options or set partial credit and add feedback for students. Exporting to Sheets allows you to filter by each question column and count selections, making it easy to spot common wrong answers and tricky distractors. This helps you refine questions or produce targeted review materials. You finish by generating a final report. Download CSV from Sheets or create filtered views for grading and archival. Once done, release scores automatically or review manually if accommodations or ambiguous answers exist. Manual overrides let you correct credit per respondent. If something goes wrong, missing responses, or blank fields, make sure you have editor permissions and check the form's version history and response settings. Sometimes linked sheets lost permissions, so reconnect the form to a fresh.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.